And I know I smell a thing in the atmosphere. I'm getting excited. Look at the color now. That's what we're talking about.
Color. Hi guys, I'm Kezzy along with Chef Jason and you're watching How to Foodie Nation. Today's adventure in Trinidadian cooking teaches us all about a local staple, chicken pilau. So let's get cooking.
So Kezzy,
Yes.
pilau time for me. Chicken pilau.
A favorite, a household staple, the unofficial national dish of Trinidad and Tobago.
Well, I think so. When you really think about it, people always talk about pilau here in Trinidad and Tobago. When they come out, when tourists come, what do you think we should have? Pilau is always on the agenda.
I mean, it's a food that you take everywhere, you eat anytime.
Beach, lime, birthday party, river. You have a little get together.
Home, Sunday lunch, Monday lunch, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday lunch.
Yeah, when they make pilau, my mom make pilau Sundays, a whole week eating pilau.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, like this video if you think that chicken pilau is the unofficial national dish of our land.
Well, we are making chicken pilau. I particularly like pork pilau. Yeah, beef pilau.
I've had lamb pilau.
Lamb pilau.
I mean,
I've heard of a fish pilau once. Hey, listen. Tell us what kind of pilau you've had or what you'd like to adventure.
what is yours?
And like this and let us know exactly what you think about other types of pilau besides the traditional chicken pilau that we will do.
Especially if you've had fish pilau before.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get started, Chef.
I need you to put some oil inside there for me. Our pan is on high heat, so this is traditional vegetable oil. Swirl it all over the pan. And what we got to do is got to get this hot because we are going to be adding brown sugar inside there. And our brown sugar is going to create that beautiful dark caramel color that we're going to be starting to brown chicken with. You know when you're making pilau, you need to get a nice brown color.
And this is the part that everybody's afraid of, the browning.
This is why we're here, for how to show you how to do it. So first and foremost, I need you to put the sugar inside there. When adding the sugar, I want you to put it in an even layer across the pot. So it browns up evenly. Sometimes you put it in clumps, certain parts may brown quicker than other parts.
Okay.
Right? Now I am using about a half cup of sugar here. So go ahead and add it. Reason being, people might say, well, that looks like a lot. The thing about it is that you are using the brown sugar to brown the chicken as well as the rice. This is a brown colored dish.
So you need it.
You need it. You need to compensate and add a little more brown sugar in the beginning because what's going to happen is that you brown up your chicken rice. By the time you add the rice after, you get a wash out white pilau. And we don't like that in Trinidad. Our pilau should be nice.
What's a white pilau?
Come on, man.
No.
Attitude in the pilau.
Okay, so we're heavy on the sugar.
Right. So what's going to happen here is that it's going to start to caramelize. You're going to see little bubbles breaking ever so often. And this will take probably about 3 minutes to come to that point in time. So when we start to see that, we're going to start to stir. So let's just leave it for about 3 minutes to develop.
Okay, no problem.
So you can see the bubbles starting to break now, right? And you get that nice dark, crude color. That's so important. A lot of people are sometimes so scared when they're browning sugar because they think you're going to get bitter. But it's something that takes trial and error after a period of time and practice brings it. So you can see that dark, crude color. And that is what you're looking for. Don't be afraid. Play with it, you're going to get it.
The darker the better?
The darker the better. And that's going to make the pilau nice because the rice has to take on that color. Okay. Seasoned chicken, we showed you guys how to do this earlier on.
Yes, we do. And there's a link in the description box, so check it out.
By all means, so seasoned chicken.
Inside.
Ah, that's what we're talking about! You hear that noise? Where's that noise? Tra! The tra! That's what we're talking about. When you see a chunk in the pot here, you'll pilau. You have to hear that tra noise, otherwise you ain't making sense with life. Stir it up, Kez. Stir it up. Turn it up, turn it up. And you can see the sugar is doing its work. You get that nice, beautiful caramel color on the chicken. Don't be afraid to brown the sugar, ladies and gents. You need to develop because that rice is going to take on that color. So compensate. Ooh. And it smells good, huh?
Yeah.
And this chicken seasoned up with black pepper, salt, green seasoning, shadow, Beni, and garlic and onion inside there.
All our favorite seasonings.
All our favorite seasonings.
Are we looking there, my boy?
You're looking great. So at this point in time, after you turn it up just like that, what we need to do is cover it. And you want to let this go on high heat for about 8 minutes to allow it to spring its natural water, and we're going to check back on it.
All right.
And I know I smell a thing in the atmosphere. I'm getting excited. Look at the color now. That's what we're talking about.
Color.
That is it brown, so you know obviously chicken will have nice color already inside it. And that's so important. That's where the sugar came in.
Okay.
Speaking about more color,
Rice.
We need to get the rice to get that color also. So as you can see, that natural pooling of that brown caramel browning going on inside there, we're going to put the rice inside that.
Okay.
So I just want to sprinkle it in. And this will suck up all of that little bit of water inside there.
Okay.
So it will start to absorb. So I need you to mix it up inside there. Once she mixes the stuff and she gets it intertwined inside there, we're going to leave this for about 2.5 to maybe 3 minutes. And when it starts to thirst and stick to the bottom of the pan, that's when we're going to start the rest of the ingredients.
Okay.
Alright, so as you can see, it's thirsting right now. So it's starting to stick at the bottom of the pan.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that's good indication. That's good. All that adds to the caramelized kind of nice color.
Okay.
Pigeon peas. Start to mix. It's going to be a little tough
Kind
from
of-
now on.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
worry.
yeah,
We
'cause
see
it's
we
sticky.
want to get everything to get that sugar started to stick. And you'll
Okay.
know why in a little time. Pimentos, chives, onion, garlic, all
All
our
down.
aromatics goes inside there. You see, it's starting to take on that whole Caribbean vibe already, right? You'll see what's going on.
Starting to get some color in there.
Beautiful. Pumpkin. You know, you need to have some pumpkin in Pilau. It adds that nice mellow consistency. There
And a
we
bit
go.
of richness.
Oh, by all means. We'll continue mixing. Let me
Chef,
just take this water from you.
Is a lot going on in here.
Yes, there's a lot. So what's going to happen now is that we're going to make it much easier. I have some water. I'm going to take my coconut powder
Okay.
and add it inside here. Hand me the whisk, please.
Sure.
And I'm going to whisk this up. When making pilau, obviously you can leave the coconut milk out, but the richness of the coconut milk is so Caribbean centric that I think that it really does add a significant amount of flavor. So we're going to add it inside here now.
So if you're not a fan of coconut milk, just water will work?
Water would work fine, and you season it up and it'll be great. So everything becomes a little more buoyant now.
Yeah.
I need you to scratch the below of the pan.
Okay.
All that burnt sugar, that caramelized bits getting
Yeah,
inside everything.
feel it.
That is where the
Coming
flavor
up.
is. That is where the impregnation of flavor is going to come in inside there. That's what we're talking about.
Alright. We're getting all those bits out.
Alright, so
From the
what's going to
bottom.
happen now is that as you get those bits out and everything is submerged or leveled, you can see
Yeah.
the chicken up, it has its own color. So important, ladies and gents, that color.
Dark and nice.
And the rice is going to take that color. We're going to rest this inside here, cover this down,
A good friend.
bring it to a boil,
Okay.
and then we're going to check back on it. Reveal! And that's what we're talking about. You see that bubble? That is all the flavors coming together.
I
You
wish
missed
y'all
it.
could smell.
Smell-o-vision is something we're working on right now on how to. So you all can get a whiff of what's going on in the pot of Kez and I do. As you can see, everything coming together nicely.
Yeah.
I want to add a little bit of carrots in there.
Why are we adding this so late?
Well, if I had added it earlier on, what's going to happen is that they would have probably gotten mushy. Remember, this has a significant amount of cooking still to do.
Okay.
Alright, so what's going to happen is that the rice needs to gelatinize, it needs to swell, come together nicely. So the carrots, I don't want to put them in too early, you get mushy. The pumpkin can deteriorate, I have no problem with that.
Okay.
Alright, I want to add a little bit of salt because we need seasonings.
Yes.
Because obviously we're boiling rice. Remember, our chicken is seasoned already, so we should be good to go. And a little bit of black pepper. So mix that in for me, please.
Got it.
And as you mix, I'm going to add a little bit of kernel corn.
Where are you going with that corn?
Corn in Pilau.
Back up. I don't like corn in my pilau.
Listen, traditionally people make pilau without the corn. My thing about it is that corn is so sweet and it adds great variance to already deep caramel based dish. So you get a bit of sweetness inside there. And look at it, it's colorful, it's like your shirt, Kazian.
Do you all like corn in your pilau? If you do, let us know in the comments.
It is optional, but I know a lot of people are using it right now and it's getting popular.
Are you team corn? Are you team anti-corn?
I am team corn. Call me corny.
Okay.
Alright, so you mix it up nicely inside
Yeah.
there. We have the salt, black pepper, all those great aromatics. What we need to do now is cover this, bring it to a boil again.
Okay.
When it comes to a boil, we're just going to remove the cover and just let it simmer until the water evaporates.
Got it.
So that's it. We're going to come back and check on it. Okay, so I'm now smelling something nicer. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy.
Bubbling up
Use a
real
spoon
good.
and then you
real
need to start to
good.
turn it up. As you can see, most of the water has evaporated.
Look at
It's gone.
that.
The rice granules are swollen.
And nice and brown.
And it has a little bit of water inside here. And that is very important because at this point in time, we're going to add the last bit of flavorings in there.
Okay.
So I want to put some fresh Chadon Beni, putting it again at the end because fresh herbs are always more vibrant at the end.
Packs a punch on flavor.
Packs a punch and flavor. And a little bit of salted butter. You know you need this. You know, some people will disagree with me.
Yeah, not everybody likes it.
But something about how it is just melt and glisten in the pilau and add that nice salty flavor.
That nice richness.
That's what we're talking about, alright? Yeah. A partner tell me the other day, telling the girl, he said, girl, you like salt butter, you look good, you smell good, you taste good. But in the long run, you go kill me, girl!
Where do you find these friends?
That's my partners and them, I just leave them out. So as we stir it up now, what we need to do, leave this uncovered.
Okay.
The little residual water inside there is going to dry up. At this point, you could take this off and just leave it. You'll get a nice sappy pilau.
How do you like it?
I like my pilau wet.
I like it just in between, not dry.
Listen,
a nice little some going on.
I like everything moist and wet in life. That's how it's supposed to be.
Okay. So let's leave it.
Leave it like that.
Yeah.
I would say give it about 3 minutes and then we're just going to take it off the heat.
Okay.
And pretty much after that, it just absorbs all that great flavor. And then we eat. Pretty much it's done, ladies and gents.
Okay.
3 minutes, take it off your stove and that's it. And I think we're in action here, you know. This is it, guys. This is the moment you've been waiting for.
I am ready.
Look how beautiful the pilau is.
Yes.
Has that nice little moist now. When this sits for a little while, give it about half an hour to an hour, you see all that little moistness just disappears.
Yeah, sucked all in.
Pilau is something that when you sit it on the stove, it's like witchcraft and vegetarian. And it's just like, it stays hot for like hours. So let's go. Put this in.
Oh yeah.
Right. And you see, we have that nice color going on there. That's what we're talking about. It's good, nice big. Oh my lord.
I'm smelling the pepper too. A nice hot pepper.
We get some rice there for you. I know you like it.
I mean,
oh yes.
this is proper stuff, guys.
This is proper stuff. You want the pepper? Or?
I mean,
take it now. Take it now. I know it's a hot girl. And that's what we're talking about.
beautiful.
We have our coleslaw that we did and earlier on. And easy pretty much is the accompaniment for when you're making a pilau. Good coleslaw goes with it. And you ain't wasting no time.
Nope.
So let me dig in.
Enough talk.
And you see how nice the corn look? I mean, I don't know what you was telling me about the corn earlier on. Team corn, people.
No corn.
That's beautiful. Hot. Guys, I could easily see why this is the number one dish in terms of one pot when we have a birthday line
Yeah.
going to the beach. Everything
in one. Everything in one.
You have your chicken, your peas, with the pigeon peas in this case,
Your
carrots,
rice.
your rice.
Your corn that you could throw away.
People try to intrigue and tell her that corn is the way to go in Pilau. Right?
But chef, these are such robust flavors coming out.
True, yeah.
So good. It's so good.
And that's important, especially for a dish that is so Caribbean centric. Here in Trinidad and Tobago, we want people to definitely have our flavors scream at them. In
Yeah, of course.
Pilau. So we want to invite you to try to make this.
Please, and tell us how it goes.
And I mean, whether you make this a birthday party, a lime, or whatever the case may be, it is something that we are proud about, and we definitely wanted to bring it to you here on how to make it, because I mean, a good Pilau is Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah, man. So chef, thanks so much for helping us learn all about our unofficial national dish.
Yes.
You know what I'm about to do.
Okay,
So until next time, guys. Bye.